Hey ladies, Shannon Rizzo here with you again. I'm a business consultant and coach to women entrepreneurs and even those who might want to be an entrepreneur but they're not really sure. And you know, this past week we've had some exciting times. I have been on this purple couch doing some hot seat coaching, and I have been in the hot seat and I've been answering questions for women just like you that are looking for a different way to live. Things have changed so much over the last couple of months. I mean, we've really gone through so much with this pandemic that we are really trying to rediscover who we are and what we want. And I just want to tell you that you're not alone. I've designed a new program called Heart on Fire, but before that, I have taught women how to become boundless in their regular, everyday life that they may think is not the reality that they want. I have coached women through making their regular life into their dream life. And through that process, I have discovered that mindset is where it's at. That's where the problems lie. The whole thing is that we get self-defeated. We feel defeated by life. We feel like we're not enough. We feel like we're not worthy of knowing and loving the things about ourselves that we used to once love. And I wanted to go through a couple of things with you and let you know, first of all, that you are not alone. So many of us have felt the exact same way. My coaching practice has done better than ever through COVID because it is here for people when a lot of other things aren't. It's the steady thing in life that you can call, you can, jump into one of our groups. And I really saw that there was such a need to reach so many more women that I went ahead and started a group called Becoming Boundless. And in this group, we are discovering what our dreams are. We're determining what those things are in life that no longer serve us. We are dreaming big and figuring out what would we really want if there were no bounds, no limits, everything was on the table, and at night you could go to sleep and you could wake up the next day and your life would be exactly what you wanted. We're looking at what that looks like, guys. And then we're taking daily steps. We're implementing rituals and routines and practices that lead you to the mindset that you need to make a transformation, because realizing the truth about who you are and what you want is where transformation lies. That mindset switch is so important, and without it, you cannot pivot into the next realm of where you need to be. You cannot be whole. You cannot be fulfilled in your purpose. You cannot be all you want to be for your family and friends and for your community. So we are going to switch the gears and we're going to do what it takes after we design your new life. So in this group, you're going to find support from other women doing the same thing as you. You're going to find me coaching there. There's amazing content that I've written, and you are going to have access to that for free inside the membership. So I really encourage you to go over and check it out. It's called Becoming Boundless, where we women are together and we're figuring out what it is we want and how we're going to get it, and then we're putting it into practice. So I hope that you'll join us. I hope that you will want to look at what it is in your life that you want to take a look at, really dig down deep and explore what those things might mean to you and your dream life. You know, it's really not that hard, but it does take support. It does take work, and it does take practice. And so we'll go through my 5-step process called the Heart on Fire process. I will lead you through, in the very beginning, you're going to go through my 9 steps to making the move and progressing in your daily routine to make your dream life a reality. I hope that you will also figure out that we are in this together and that you are not going to go through this by yourself. We are going to be inside this group. We are going to be encouraging each other, and you're going to find that there are women of all walks. Like, we are in there. There are some entrepreneurs. There are some people that work for corporate. There are people everywhere in between. Some have side hustles. Some have hobbies they want to turn into a moneymaker. You don't have to be anything that you're not already. If you're watching this video, this group is for you. I have done a ton of research and found out exactly who it is that I'm serving, and it's you. So I want you to look at the link below. I want you to click on it. I want you to ask me any questions that you have, and I want you to know that I'm there for you. I've done this so many times. I want you to take a look at, I'm gonna also put a link below for the success page, and I want you to go over and not take my word for it, but go ahead and look at the transformations that have already come out of these programs, and I will see you in the Facebook group. It's private, and it's called Becoming Boundless. And there you will realize that you can become boundless, and anything that you want, you can have it. We just need to design that life for you in vivid color. So I'll see you there.